Alright, we're going to fire up the 1917 Hercules Hit Miss stationary engine. This is a 550 RPM, a horse and a half E model, built in Evansville, which is right down the road, and just a real neat old motor. Just got finished kind of going over everything with a fine-tooth comb, and didn't have the old brass mag on it, so we're running a General Motors points and condenser with a Delco coil, and everything seems to be working great. It's got a little battery box here, kind of homemade, but it does the job. This will be a cold start. I started it, I guess, a couple days ago. Got the old hand crank here, or the old arm breaker, whatever the case may be. So let's see if we can get her going. Anyway, there she is.